There's a place in my heart that will always be home. Through the smiles and the tears, and sunshine or rain, our love stays the same. It will always remain. Family is forever, through thick and thin, a circle of love that never ends. Hand in hand we'll stand together. In my heart you'll be forever. We shared every joy, we share every dream, and we lift each other when the road feels steep. Every laugh, every hug, every promise we make is a treasure of love that no time can take. Family is forever, through thick and thin, a circle of love that never ends. Hand in hand we'll stand together. In my heart you'll be forever. We might grow older, we might drift apart, but you'll always be close in the beat of my heart. Through every season, through all that we do, my family's my home, and my love is for you. Family is forever, through thick and thin, a circle of love